work on my nose and that was only 2 hours, but that is some tight enclosing. I'm in better spirits right now. I changed my outfit. If you didn't notice, I've been wearing the same thing for the past 2 hours, so good thing I brought spares. I'm feeling a lot more fresh. And I have been reading some more encouraging posts about things that are happening around the world with coronavirus right now. In China, 70% of people who were affected are recovering. They sent specialists apparently to Italy to help with their case because I'm so worried for Italy right now. Yeah, it's just crazy because right here the ratio of employees to visitors is much higher, like 2 to 1 right now. People really need money right now to support their families. It's just this continuous cycle of not spending money so people can't earn money, and so they can't spend money to support their families, and it's just an endless, yeah. Also, low-key haven't showered in 2 days. It has been rough. I feel like the only Asian here. Also, this is getting worse. Lol at all the plans I had this week that are now not happening. So what I just did was cancel a bunch of one-on-one meetings I had with some members, because initially when Cornell announced that school was canceled or going virtual, everyone was like, okay, let's wrap up all our clubs and let's do elections for next semester because we're officially going to close this term. I was going to meet with some presidents to talk about my current position and why I was going to step down, but I just figured it'd be best right now to just cancel everything this week and everything next week, because now is not the time to be talking about extracurriculars. Same with my classes. Initially I had a project that was due on Thursday, but then they extended it to next Thursday, and then Cornell canceled classes, so now it's not due until after spring break, which is April 6th. Also, the time zones are going to be really different, so all of these were scheduled between 3 to 5 p.m., but that's going to be 3 to 5 a.m. where I am, so there's no way that's happening. I also still keep getting LinkedIn requests this week, and it's a little disturbing low-key, but I think it's because everyone's internships are getting canceled, so they're here just trying to find a job. Solid jazz piano. Guys, I'm so scared. I might have just taken the wrong way. Oh my god. I was so scared I was gonna go to the wrong terminal because I technically didn't check where this train was going. Like, I wasn't super familiar. I just knew it was going the right direction, so I just hopped on it. But yeah, I'm literally where I started earlier, in the center of the terminal. I am headed to Japan right now, which is quite a hot spot. So let's pray this goes well. I'm very worried. So I got my N95 back on. I'm in Japan right now. My connecting gate was literally right next door, so I made it really easy. I have 15 minutes until my flight to Manila. I noticed a lot more people aren't masked. It's much more quiet here, and I'm surprised that they didn't do any security clearance for Corona just to check our temperatures or something, but I'm guessing that'll happen at our port of arrival, which for me is the Philippines. Also guys, did I tell you I slept 11 hours on the plane? I'm kind of laughing because I was gonna watch The Hustlers, I was gonna watch Apollo 11 and some other shows, but then I just slept from 4 a.m. to 3 p.m. and now I'm lol at my face. Oh. Whoa. Those are true battle scars. No, they're really not true battle scars. I was checking my emails. I was supposed to call with some professors, and the time they offered is 2:30 p.m. EST, which is now 2:30 a.m. So it's gonna be a bit rough communicating with people back at Cornell for a bit, but I'll keep you updated on how that goes because we're supposed to go to virtual learning or online school. I hope there is some accommodation for international students because I can't be getting up at 4 a.m. But you know, if it comes to it, I guess I'll have to. Classes are not really the priority during this world pandemic. Oh, and on a similar note, I got an email from Cornell, and yeah, our vice president just emailed the student body, and they were like, some of you all are using this time to host large parties. Please don't do that because social distancing. I'm on the final stretch now to the Philippines. This is looking like a very empty flight.
Great. Thank you so much.
Thank you. You too. I'm so dumb. She said have a safe flight and I said you too. On the bright side, I'll be able to practice my Tagalog now. Like right now, my favorite thing to say is ingat. Since somebody just knocked our thing and it was like, oh, sorry po, nag-iwan yung shirt. I didn't know what it was, but yeah, I will be practicing my Tagalog.
Cover your cough or sneeze with a tissue or into your arm. We'd like to thank you for your continued trust in Delta and for your business.
Hello, hello. Dito na ako sa Pilipinas. Just means hi, I'm in the Philippines. Hi. It's 8:45 p.m. I'm gonna go through arrivals, head back home, and we'll take it from there, guys. It's gonna be a very unexpected 2 weeks. Thanks for sticking by me throughout these vlogs. It's been a super overwhelming time. I definitely cried again in the airplane because it's just been a lot. It's like so much change in 36 hours. And I'm just gonna settle down. I hope you all are staying safe and that you are with your families if that is the safest option. If not, I hope you're quarantining and just taking care, finding strength in your communities right now. Definitely wash your hands, practice social distancing. This is the big issue and I think it's here to stay for a while, so let's all just hang in there. My mom is disinfecting my bag and I accidentally touched her. I don't think I've ever gotten my luggage that quick. I literally got it within 2 minutes of coming down the escalator, and I think it's because it's so empty right now. I'm gonna end the vlog. I'd really appreciate it if you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, all that jazz, and I will see you next week with another new video. Bye guys. I should be touching my face during this time. That's #1 rule.